Neil McEvoy, Assembly Member, South Wales Central. We're just in the dock now in Cardiff Bay. We've been out to sea to keep an eye on the dredger. We filmed it, and we made sure that the dumping was done in the correct place. The process is that the sediment is scooped up, it's kept inside the boat, the ship, and then it opens up and is dropped directly into the sea and will go to the bottom. We found out they were dumping mud today, not because there's a mixture of what kind of sediment, but today was mud because the gates actually got stuck. That means, well, basically we'd be very unlikely to breathe in any particles this morning because of the wet and because of it just going straight into the sea. I was in the cabin as well. I know people will be thinking about that. The issue for me really is that material now will be washed around the estuary and may settle at some point on beaches where it will recompose, and that's when you're going to get the issue of the particles really when it dries out. The biggest scandal for me is that there's been no environmental impact assessment on this. It's incredible, you know, just over there, just a mile that way, 320,000 tonnes of mud will have been dumped if we don't stop it. They've done more than half already, to be honest, but that's no reason not to stop them. And to do that without actually looking at the effect on our environment, it's quite incredible. We have a vote in the Assembly on Wednesday to suspend the dumping, and I'm asking particularly with my amendment for an environmental impact assessment to be done. The process is 4:30 outside our Assembly. Please turn up, make those Labour politicians hear your voices and realise that they just simply cannot carry on like this. They must listen to the people of Wales, and we must stop the dumping and have an environmental impact assessment. Okay? Moving into the bay now, bit of an early morning.